Alright, hey everybody, this is Steven with SC Reviews 82. We're going to go ahead and do a review today of the silicone case for Pokemon Go Plus 2023 version. It's the thin Pokemon Go Plus Plus. I already have one, as you can tell here, with the Snorlax on it. And I actually got these little face covers with one of the hard cases, which I didn't end up liking because it still kept the ball slick and it would fall off of everything. So I kept these faces and I just put 4 little dots of super glue on it and glued it down like that, and it makes them a lot less bright, especially at nighttime when you're playing Pokemon. And like us, if you're in the car and it's going off, it's really bright. Looks like a party in your house. So they do come with this. This is like a silicone lanyard. Your Pokeball comes with this one with the little magnet built into it. I don't use either one of them personally. I don't know who keeps those lanyards. Maybe for little kids they might use them. I don't know. I've never seen anybody using them, so I can't tell you how good they work. Now, I do have a quick charger adapter on the back of mine. That's the one that goes onto the little charging dock for these. And it's got a little magnet clip, so it's easy to clip it in. Get this folded on there. But that helps hold it in place while I get the rest of this lined up. And then from there, I can just kind of squeeze the excess around until I get this right. It's easiest to do it off the back because you got those holes to line up. There we go. Got your access to your reset button right there, which I actually had to use today. Not on this one, but on this one. So you got access to your reset button. You still got the holes for your lanyards. You can still see your power LED, and you have your speaker down here and access to your charger as well. This can keep that charger in it while it's charging, and it actually sits on the dock really well. Overall, I really like it. Just got to put the 4 dots of super glue, and I guess I'll show you guys how I did that here. Now, the other case I got this one came with 4 faces. I've used one on this account, or on my Pokeball, and used one on my wife's Pokeball, and this is now my second Pokeball. Okay, now, I don't know how well that will show up, but that's just barely putting any glue on there, because once you press it down it'll smear out. I don't know if you can see the reflection on that. I got messy with this first one, and I put a glue line all the way around, and so now it's got some dried glue on it. Not a big fan of that mess I made, but he's holding on there and he's not going anywhere. So for my wife's, I did just 4 dots, and it's held up really good. And now, it's not near as bright. And with these silicone covers, when they go off and they start vibrating, they're really quiet. Unlike the hard case, which is where I got these face pieces from. That was just another piece of hard plastic that was smooth. And it didn't do me much good. So, we love these cases. I've got one of each, and then my wife has the silicone one that came with the charging dock we got, which is, it's a little bit thinner silicone than this, but it still does a great job. Definitely silences it. I really like this. I was a little worried about these ears in the pictures. It makes it look like they're so freaking long. But when you curl your fingers around, it actually holds really nice, and it doesn't even go above my knuckles. So if If you want to keep it in your pocket or walk around with it in your hand, it'd be great to hold on to. I know I do that with this one. Fingers on there, and I can just walk with it. Tap the button, if it's already used all the red balls and you got to manually activate it. It's an easy way to keep it in your hands and just tap. So, great choice. Really love it, and I'd highly recommend these to anyone who's interested in getting them. I got this from the Nananinu store on Amazon, so go check them out. At the time I got it, they were only $11.99, but I think there's a coupon on there right now for 5% off. So go check it out, and hopefully you find this review helpful. If you did, give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe. SE Reviews 82. Thank you.